From a single somatic cell to vast therapeutic potential, this is the extraordinary journey of induced pluripotent stem cells. The Gibco iPSC workflow transforms human cells into powerful research tools and tomorrow's regenerative therapies. Whether you're working with fibroblasts, peripheral blood cells, or hematopoietic cells, our comprehensive workflow supports researchers at every critical stage, from initial reprogramming through to clinical-grade manufacturing. Your journey begins with readily available somatic cells, cultured in optimized media, tailored to each cell type. The transformation begins with our trusted Invitrogen CytoTune IPS 2.0 Sendai reprogramming kit, enabling up to 2% reprogramming efficiency with an integration-free approach that helps eliminate insertional mutagenesis. This integration-free approach helps deliver a high standard for iPSC generation. For virus-free alternatives, our Invitrogen Epi5 episomal reprogramming kit helps provide another pathway to induced pluripotency. Once reprogrammed, your iPSCs require precise culture conditions to maintain their pluripotency and ability to self-renewal. Our serum-free, feeder-free adherent systems help deliver exceptional performance. Once reprogrammed, your iPSCs require precise culture conditions to maintain their pluripotent state. Our serum-free, feeder-free systems minimize sources of variability while helping deliver exceptional performance. For routine culture and challenging workflows like gene editing and single-cell cloning, Gibco StemFlex Medium is an excellent choice. It's specifically designed to support robust PSC growth, achieving up to 5 times higher clonal expansion and 2 times faster cell recovery post-editing compared to traditional media. When a robust, cost-effective solution is needed, Gibco Essential 8 Medium helps provide a widely used alternative. And to truly scale up your process, our innovative Gibco StemScale PSC suspension medium enables 3D culture, typically achieving a remarkable 5 to 10-fold expansion. This offers a clear path from bench-scale research to the industrial-scale production, crucial for clinical translation. During PSC culture and expansion, helping ensure the generation of high-quality and genomically stable cell lines becomes paramount. Our PSC media systems support long-term culture health, which can be verified using assays for pluripotency like the Applied Biosystems TACMAN scorecard panel and genomic stability such as the Ion Torrent Oncomin TCR panel. This confirms your cells maintain true pluripotent characteristics and are suitable for critical downstream applications like gene editing. Proper characterization of PSC cultures is paramount for downstream applications, especially during workflows involving genetic manipulation and modulation of the gene, where precision and on-target editing is essential. Invitrogen TrueCut Cas9 Protein version 2 with Invitrogen TrueGuide Synthetic Guide RNase enables targeted genome editing with reduced off-target effects. The Invitrogen Neon Next Electroporation system helps deliver exceptional transfection efficiency whilst maintaining cell viability. The true power of iPSCs lies in their potential to differentiate into any cell type within the body. Our PSC differentiation kits offer ready-to-use protocols for generating human cardiomyocytes, dopaminergic neurons, and definitive endoderm. For greater flexibility, we also provide Gibco PeproTech growth factors and cytokines alongside specialized basal media to support your custom differentiation strategies. Real-time monitoring is easy with our Invitrogen eVOS and Cell Insight platform's on-stage incubation, while our comprehensive antibody catalogue allows for accurate characterization of your differentiated cells to confirm successful lineage commitment. Throughout this workflow, researchers can choose between research-use-only products for discovery applications or our cell therapy systems portfolio for clinical development. CTS reagents are GMP manufactured, safety tested, and supported by comprehensive regulatory documentation, specifically designed to bridge the gap from laboratory bench to patient bedside. Having this choice between RUO and CTS labelled products helps support the transition from research to the clinic. Conduct your initial discoveries with RUO products, then transition confidently to CTS products and Pepro GMP cytokines for clinical manufacturing. Gibco iPSC workflow, where scalable science meets clinical excellence. Partner with Thermo Fisher Scientific and grow your stem cell research potential into life-changing therapies.